Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to create a tab view with a search button next to it. When active, the search button will expand so you can type and search easily. Additionally, I'll show you how to enable the minimization behavior when scrolling down. First, let's create 3 different views to demonstrate the tab view. For the first tab, I'll use a heart symbol and place SwiftUI 1 inside it. For the second tab, I'll use a star symbol and place SwiftUI View 2 inside it. Let me also change the text in the second and third view so you can clearly see how the tab view switches between views. For the search button, we'll add another tab, but this time we'll assign it a search role. This will push our tabs to the left and place a search button on the right. At this point, it opens our third view, but the button doesn't expand yet. Now let's fill our subviews with lists for the demonstration. For SwiftUI View 1, I'll use a long list of animals. Inside the navigation stack, I'll add a list to display the names. Then I'll give this view a navigation title. For SwiftUI View 2, I'll use a list of fruits. Just like before, I'll place a list inside the navigation stack. You can also add some row spacing to the list using this modifier. For the search view, we'll use SwiftUI View 3. First, we need to define a state variable to keep the search text. We'll run the search inside this items list. For this video, I'll use a computed variable to filter the list based on the text the user enters. But if you like to learn how to add a search feature using queries in a project that is persisted with Swift data, check out the video linked in the description below. Inside the navigation stack, we'll place a list of the filtered items. If the search text is empty, the entire list of items will be displayed. But once the user enters a search term, the results will update to show only the matching items. Finally, we'll add the searchable modifier to this view. As you can see, this time the search button in the tab view expands and we can search through the items. Lastly, let me show you how to enable the minimization behavior of the tab view. Just below the tab view, add the tab bar minimize behavior modifier with the on scroll down option. Keep in mind that you'll need a long list or a scroll view that extends beyond the visible area in order to see the minimization effect in action. As a bonus tip, let me show you how you can tag the tabs. This is useful if you want to remember the last tab the user visited or programmatically control which tab is selected. First, define an enum for the tabs. Next, create a state variable or use an app storage property wrapper to bind the tab view selection to it. Then assign a value to each tab you create. Finally, bind the selection property in your tab view to that variable. Let's run the app and see it in action. As you can see, we've created Apple's newly designed tab view with a search button and minimization behavior. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us.